Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hishamuddin Aris. My metric number is 181825.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Morsi. My metric number is 195077.
Okay, so today we will present about our project, digital project, which is LED running light. So we are using hardware and software to run our project. So Morsi will explain about the hardware, and while me explain about the simulation of the coding. So we start for Morsi.
Hello, so today we are going to introduce this one for you. This is the A1 Altera, and we are going to show you how this one is working and how our code is working on this one. We are using running LED. This is our code. We are using Quartus 2. We are using Quartus 2 software. And we are using also Verilog code, so we can run our project on the port. So firstly, we are going to name our project. So this is running LED, and we will declare the input as a clock, and we declared output as the LED, and we mentioned it's from 0 to 7. It's from LED number 0 to LED number 7. After this, we going to show the parameter, which is this is the main one. This is the main one. This is the LED that it will be shown on the port. If we want to change, so we can change the port, so we can change the LED position, no problem. After this is the register for the LED output, and this also the state counter and the direction indicator. So we'll begin with the way that the LED were running. So once we press the clock, while I made it on the key 0 on the port, as we can see, we will show you on the pen assignment. Show you in the pen planner. I make this. These we can take it from the DE1, and I assign my clock as a PNR22. This pin R22, actually it's the same on the key 0 on the port. So you can check the DE1 Altera user manual, so you can get the user manual. After this, we will begin to make the LED moving. These are our conditions, and we will use the shift register, of course. And the second always, we will begin to change the direction. So once the LED reach to the end of the LED, it will go back. So we mentioned this one also. So this is in the second half, once with the LED reaching to the end of the LEDs. And we also assign our LEDs and wire our output and LEDs register. This is the Verilog code we are using. So right now we need to change, like as we can see here in the port, we mentioned that we can change the LED output, but right now we are moving 2 LEDs on the port. So as we can see, I mentioned that I did the clock on the key 0, so it will be toggled. So once I press, the LED is moving. Once I press, the LED is moving. So let's say I want to change this one as like 3 LED or 1 LED. So we'll begin with 3 LED. We need to show you guys how we can do this one on 3 LED on the Verilog code. So as we mentioned, we will go to change this one. So we need to make it 3 LED. So we'll remove 1 0 and we will put 1 here. And we don't want to forget to mention this one. We have to show you guys, this one is very important. If you want to change the output, you have to remember that you want to change. If it's 3, you need to change it as 2. Okay, let's run the LED. Let's run the code. Working successfully, there is no problem. After this, we need to make a program. We need to make this one running. This is the same, but we just want to make sure. Okay, start. Okay, as you can see here, three LED they are running. Okay, if we want to change to anything, but just do not forget to change this one. Okay, this is the Verilog code, and we will begin with the simulation with Hashim. So let's go.
Okay, I will explain about the simulation. Thanks to Mosi for the hardware. So I will show you how to do the simulation. First, we need the test bench coding. So this is the test bench coding that you can convert from the coding for the hardware, then convert to the test bench coding, which is used for the hardware for the simulation. Sorry. Then we run the coding for the test bench to check whether it's working or not. Okay, we check first. Alright. Okay, so there is no problem for this coding. So we will go to the assignment and go to the settings, and we need to compile the test bench coding and the hardware coding. So we go to the simulations, and we go to the we choose compile test bench, and we choose test bench, and we choose new, and we write down the folder that should save the coding. Okay, as example, running light, running LED example. Okay, alright, so this is the example. So let's say that we have put the folder name. Okay, so we will okay, then we apply them and okay. So we have compiled them, and we will go run again to check whether the these two LED coding combined is working or not. Okay. This maybe take 30 seconds maximum. Okay. Alright, no problem. So we go to the tools and run simulation tool, go to the RTS simulation. You can either go to here, or the most shortcut, more easier way, we can go here. Okay, it's the same. So we go here, and then okay, we go to here. We got this waveform. We need to open this. Okay, then we use hotkey I for the zoom, O or Z O for the zoom out and zoom in. Okay, so you need to zoom out to see the waveform. So here the waveform of the LED that we use for at first coding, which is the two LEDs on, not the latest one, because this is the default that we have shown you before. So this is the waveform. As you can see, the clock always behave like a clock here. Okay, as you can see here, then the LED will turn on and turn off like this waveform. And here, this is as you can see what Morsi have show you. That's how the LED will go on and off according to this waveform. And that's all for the simulation. Okay, that's all from us. Finally, we have a good time together with Morsi, and we would like to thank Dr. Mariam and Dr. Niza for teaching us this course. And we have learned many things, including discipline ourselves, and this program, learn about this program also. So anything to add, Morsi?
Bye.
No, you don't. Okay, that's all. Thank you.